Ah, this is Princess Colliery Park. Looking south there right now, and it's up towards Foodland and the liquor store, and that's looking towards Howell Street. And there's some water. Looks like mine water. And this road, I think, goes down to Howell Street. Anyway, just out for a little jog walk, get the heart rate up a little bit, and see some of the sights here. There's probably $200 million spent here, so I felt I might as well get out and enjoy it. Anyway, there you go. Anyway, this is the first Sunday in December. Let me see. It was Friday the 1st? No, Thursday was the 1st. Friday was the 2nd. Saturday was the 3rd, so I guess this is the 4th. And there's a look at some of the water there. It's being purified, I think, by the vegetation. Anyway, this oh, it's slippery here. Let's see where this goes. Looks like ATV tracks here. The ATVs seem to wreck everything. And makes it hard for people who like to walk. Anyway, maybe that's as far as I'm going. Anyway, the old open hearth site, I think, would be to the north of me here. Anyway, and people have to dump tires, I guess. Somehow it makes their day. There's one crow up there. My mother used to say, one crow sorrow, two crows joy. Anyway, I'm looking for another crow. Anyway, here we are, Sunday, 4th of December. Not a bad day here in Sydney Mines.